Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import CSV files to Excel automatically with Sheetgo. You can not only convert the file types but also connect from one storage to another. And with Sheetgo's merge feature, you can even combine data from multiple CSV files into one Excel sheet. In this video, I'll show you how you can import data from multiple CSV files to Excel from Google Drive to SharePoint. Let's get started. Click the link in the video description below to sign up for Sheetgo. This will take you to the Sheetgo web application where you can sign up using your Google, Dropbox, or Microsoft account. Click plus Create Workflow and then click Create Connection. Give the workflow a name at the top of the screen. Here I'll call it CSV to Excel. First of all, you need to select your data source. This is the file you want to import data from. In this case, that's multiple files. Click Select File to locate the CSV files from your Google Drive. You will see the file appears here in Sheetgo. Okay, so now the first source file has been selected. Click plus Add another source file. When you've found the file, click Done. Repeat these steps until you have selected all of your source files. If you want to combine data from a large number of files, you can also merge from a folder. Whenever you want to add a new file to the connection, just drop it into the folder and it will be included automatically. When the complete list of source files is on the screen, click Next Step. Select Merge to combine the data from the multiple files. Select Sheet File. You can either send the data to a new Excel file or an existing file that's already inside your SharePoint. Here I want to merge all my source data into a new file, and Sheetgo will create it for me automatically. In the file type, select Excel. Then change the destination folder to SharePoint. The data from all of your source files will be merged into this one destination file. Under File Name, I will call this file Merged File. Sheetgo will create a new tab in the destination file containing the merged CSV data. You have the option to rename the tab here. This will also be the name of the connection. Here I'll call it Data. When you're done, click Finish and Save to create the workflow. Sheetgo will now import the data from all of the Google Sheets source files into one single spreadsheet. If you check out the workflow, you can see that the files are now connected. To update the data in the destination file at any time, click Run on the menu bar. This will update the connection and pull the latest information from your source files straight into your Excel. To make sure you've always got the latest data, click Automate and schedule automatic updates as often as you need. The workflow will then update automatically, without you having to open Sheetgo or any of your spreadsheets. That's how to import multiple CSVs into Excel automatically. Today I have shown you how to create a merge connection with CSV files in Excel, but you can also use Sheetgo to connect multiple Google Sheets files and distribute data to multiple other spreadsheets. I demonstrated how to use the Sheetgo web app, but you can also use our Google Sheets add-on to create connections from directly inside a spreadsheet. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit Sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.